up, boys. Get them on the cowboy trail. Hey, Brian Young with ProTinkerToys.com. This is another unboxing of my best-selling rifle. This is the 1866 Golden Rifle, baby. Nice gold-plated metal. This part here is metal, and this is all real wood, baby. Nice shined up. And now this is just a beautiful, beautiful rifle. For that kid of yours loves rifles and everything, just run around shooting up things. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, that smell of... Now, this takes an 8-shotter, okay? This is an 8-shotter. Now, the only problem is I can't sell you the ammo because I can't ship it. It's a long story. But there are places on the internet you can get these. I'm trying to figure out how I can get them to people. Anyways, they're 8-shotters. You get 8 shots, and you put them in the golden rifle. And it has a little thing here, like this. Put it in here like that, there. Check out that smoke. Oh, baby. These are the 1866 Golden Rifle. This is beautiful. Nice gold-looking plated. Nice wooden stock and everything. I've sold so many of these guns. I'm telling you, nobody has complained about this gun at all. Okay, this is, and it's under, I think it's $39.99. This is a sweet gun. Now, I've lowered the price a little bit because I don't sell it in the card stock anymore. Because, you know what? I want to just give you a better deal and just give you the rifle itself. It's over 3 feet. Golden Rifle's got a lever action. Golden Rifle, buddy. Get on your wagon train, get on your stagecoach, and get ready to head out and stop all those varmin trying to get you. Professor Tinker's unboxing.